This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to uninstall Eclipse IDE from Windows 11 operating system. Normally programs are installed from control panel, so let's go to the control panel. By typing the control panel on the search box, then you enter. Then under programs, you see here we have uninstall a program. So click on uninstall a program. Then you search for Eclipse. So in this case, these are arranged in alphabetical order. So Eclipse should exist. It should be between after D, but before G. So it doesn't exist here. So let's find a way. Let's see a way in which you can install it. Since it doesn't exist, it's not listed in the control panel uninstall programs which are listed over there. So the next thing we do is we search for Eclipse. So when we search for Eclipse, we find that Eclipse is installed here in the owner program under C. So we copy that, then we go to the C drive. Once you go to the C drive, you paste it. Then once you go there, you search for Eclipse and all its related programs, like the workspace, the hidden file like .eclipse. So these are the three files we're gonna get rid of here. We're gonna get rid of hidden file, which is .eclipse. The Eclipse, let's look for Eclipse. Eclipse, the main file, then the workspaces. The workspaces depend on the number of workspaces you created when you are running your programs. Like in this case, these are the Eclipse workspaces which are created, Eclipse workspace 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to get rid of this. Make a note of this. .eclipse file, sometimes when you look for it, it's not listed here. So in such a situation, what you do, you go to View, then you go to Show, then you go to Hidden Items. Once you go to Hidden Items, you'll definitely find it here. Like in this case, it is here, it's showing up. So let's go to the conventional way and look for Eclipse and get rid of it from there. So the first thing we get rid of here is .eclipse. So you go here, you go to Show More Options, then you click on Delete. It's gonna get rid. It's already gotten rid of. Then the next thing we look for Eclipse. You go to Show also the same process, then you click on Delete. Then we go to the workspaces, as I already shown you before. So we have 3 workspaces here. So the first one is this one. We got rid of it. Then we get rid of workspace 2. Show options also. Get rid of it. Then we get rid of the third one here. So we have gotten rid of the Eclipse and all its related files. So now if you search for Eclipse here, you will not find it. So you see it's taking you to the website. But however, even if you have already gotten rid of it, sometimes Eclipse icons may still exist on your machine. So in such situation, when they exist, like in my case here, you see the icon is still here. So you just get rid of it because it doesn't serve any purpose now. The main file is already gotten rid of. So in this case, you just get rid of it. You just delete it. So we have gotten rid of every file. So I think this video has helped you on how to completely uninstall Eclipse from your machine.